How to become a millionaire as a teenager. The world's richest people typically fall into two categories. Those who have created something completely original and those who excel at doing something already existing better than anyone else. Becoming a millionaire requires an exceptional work ethic, and for most people, a significant amount of patience. This video guides you about what you can do and don't do in hopes of becoming a millionaire. Creating new habits is easy, but following a routine to save money is tough. However, you invest and expand with time. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we dig deep into the video, I would like you guys to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you get notified when we upload a new video. Number 1. One step at a time. Baby steps. You need to have a strategy in place if you want to be successful with money. Dave Ramsey's 7 Baby Steps is the method that has helped people from all over the country grow wealth and become millionaires over time. This is a strategy that will be successful. Now you'd be wondering what these baby steps are exactly. 1. Put aside $1,000 to serve as the beginning of your emergency fund. 2. Use the debt snowball strategy to pay off all your debt, except your mortgage. 3. Put down 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a rainy day fund. 4. Put up 15% of the income from your household each year for retirement. 5. Put money aside each month for the education of your children. 6. Be sure to pay off your mortgage early. 7. Gain fortune and then donate some of it. You have undoubtedly observed that several of the steps on that list require more preparation from you than you currently own, and some you can entirely avoid, like your financial obligations. As was mentioned earlier, your primary objective at this point should be to secure funding for college. And considering that you are still residing with your parents, an emergency fund of $500 will be sufficient for the time being. Nothing can keep you from becoming a millionaire if you are willing to devote the next few years to concentrating on those objectives. Nothing can keep you from becoming a millionaire. Talking about baby steps, let me tell you about a baby that is now a millionaire. Ryan Kaji, then 4 years old, launched his own YouTube channel, Ryan's Toys Review, with the support of his parents in 2015. He eventually renamed his channel Ryan's World, which now has over 30 million subscribers. Ryan rose to prominence after uploading videos to his YouTube account in which he reviewed and unboxed new toys for his viewers. DIY, science projects, and instructional videos are among his videos. Ryan, now 10 years old, is believed to have a net worth of $32 million. Ryan makes money not only through his YouTube channel but also from goods. Because of this, Ryan became the first child YouTuber to get their product line. Ryan has been the highest paid YouTuber for 3 years in a row, as well as the youngest YouTube millionaire, thanks to the popularity of his YouTube videos and apparel and toy brand. He isn't even a teenager yet. Number 2. Save money apart from investments. Having money in savings is not the same as having money invested. Putting money down for a rainy day means nothing more than depositing it in a bank account, whether it be savings, checking, or money market account. Additionally, it may comprise cash investments such as certificates of deposit with short-term maturities. When you have savings, your money is not only kept in a very secure location, but it is also quite simple and quick to access. On the other side, investing is utilizing your money to acquire assets such as bonds, stocks, real estate, and other investments that should increase in value over time. This may be considered a long-term bet on the asset's value. Historically, investing one's money has produced superior returns throughout a person's lifetime. Number 3. You should avoid taking huge financial chances. On social media, some of your friends or mates may share information about purchasing cryptocurrencies with you, or they may try to persuade you to get in on the ground floor of an exciting investment opportunity. Don't get sucked in by the hook. Investing is often regarded among millionaires as the most effective method for amassing money and ensuring financial stability. They avoid taking unnecessary risks, simplify their lives wherever possible, and consistently put money away. Here are a few facts. 80% of millionaires say that investing in an employer-sponsored retirement program like a 401k was the primary way they achieved millionaire rank. Meanwhile, 74% said investing outside the company program, and 73% said the habit of saving money was a key factor. For the time being, you should concentrate on graduating from college without any outstanding debt, including student loans, credit card debt, and auto payments. Make sure to connect with a financial advisor once you've launched your career and are ready to get started with investing. A financial advisor can teach you everything there is to know about investing and assist you in picking and choosing the appropriate investments for your portfolio. Number 4. Avoid using credit cards at all costs. Once you step onto an institute campus, you need immediately prepare yourself. You will be surrounded by smiling credit card personnel who will attempt to get you to fill out credit card applications in exchange for free swag, such as a t-shirt or a pizza slice. People, you are walking into a trap here. Do not even think about walking in the opposite direction. Run! The sad aspect is that many young people fall for this con and end up getting into a lot of financial trouble. About 53% of college students use credit cards to make purchases, and over 40% reported that they presently have a credit card load of at least $1,000. In comparison, 14% report that they already have a balance of more than $5,000. Do not put your future in danger by spending finances. You do not have to make a good impression on people and show off your expensive bag purchased with a credit card. It is not worth the trouble. Instead, save a little and invest yourself and your business ideas. Number 5. Invest in assets rather than liabilities. You should put your money towards things that will make you more capital rather than things that will put you in debt. If you invest in a stock exchange that pays a dividend, a piece of firm's earnings, you will earn cash every 3 months even if you do nothing else. This is because the company shares a portion of its profits with you. You will be entitled to interest payments once every 6 months when you buy a bond. This type of revenue is known as a passive income. On the other hand, if you take out a loan of any type to purchase something, you will now have amassed debt. You will be required to pay back and interest. Obtaining a loan may be important in some circumstances, such as when you are buying your first house and need a mortgage, or when you need a car and need a loan. On the other hand, having other kinds of debt will drive up your obligations and make it more difficult for you to amass money. Talking about the investment, do you know the story of Sean Belnick, who became a millionaire at 14? He invested $500 at the suggestion of his stepfather and launched his international company, now worth more than $72 million. Sean is a firm's CEO and runs a website called bizchair.com, an online marketplace for many different sorts of furniture, including office, restaurant, school, and church furniture, among many others. bizchair.com began in Sean's bedroom in 2001 and moved to its first commercial warehouse in 2005. By 2006, it had moved to a larger warehouse, and when that proved too small, it moved to an even larger warehouse with 327 square feet of space, indicating how large his firm had grown. Sean is now 26, and his company is ranked 37th on the Inc. magazine list of the top 100 retail companies. His firm received Orion Energy Systems Environmental Stewardship Award for its effort to minimize energy use and carbon dioxide emissions. Belnick went on to co-found Acadia, a digital marketing platform. Quick facts about millionaires. The National Study of Millionaires compiled the following interesting facts and figures about millionaires that will debunk any assumptions you may have regarding what a millionaire is. About 79% did not inherit a dime of money on their way to $1 million net worth, meaning they struggled, worked their way to achieve their dreams, and saved up to be a millionaire. 62% graduated from public state universities, and 8% attended community colleges. So, I'm saying people don't need a high-profile university degree to become successful and rich. You'd be surprised to know 1/3 of all millionaires were never paid a six-digital wage, and only 31% had an average annual salary of $100,000 or more throughout their careers. 94% of millionaires spend less than they earn. They save more than the general public. The essential thing to acknowledge is that anyone can become a millionaire. In addition, the sooner you get started, the better. According to the study, people of the younger generations can become billionaires in their own right if they are diligent over time. Net worth millionaires in their own right. It is time to get things rolling. That's all for today, my friends. We hope to see you in the next video. Until then, make sure you like this video and share it with your friends. Also, click the bell icon for more updates. Until next time, folks.